According to CNBC, the battle over the fiscal cliff is just the first of a series of battles in Washington that could cause more downgrades to the U.S. credit rating. In interviews with Reuters since the election, all three primary rating agencies acknowledged that a downgrade was likely if the budget process, the debt ceiling issues, or failure to make budget cuts continues. The agencies charge that the U.S. does not have a sustainable, coherent vision for the federal deficit that is over $1 trillion in each of the last 4 years. In contrast, the U.S. economy is expected to grow 2.2% in 2013, while the Eurozone's projected growth rate is 0.3%. European markets and Asian markets are both down on Thursday. The Dow closed down 185 points on Wednesday, ending at 12,570. The 17 countries that use the euro fell back into recession for the first time in 3 years, according to Eurostat, who indicates the economy contracted by 0.1%. The Associated Press reports that the Eurozone has dodged recession for the last 3 years, primarily due to the strength of the German economy. But even the Germans are struggling now due to lack of the demand from its neighboring countries. Germany's economy grew 0.2% in the third quarter. 5 Eurozone countries are in recession, including Greece, Spain, Portugal, Italy, and Cyprus. The rest of the Eurozone countries saw a growth rate of 0.1% in the third quarter. The Federal Housing Administration is expected to report this week that its reserves are depleted and may need taxpayer funding for the first time in a 78-year history. The Wall Street Journal reports that the FHA does not make loans but insures lenders against losing. It has played a critical role in backing mortgages of borrowers who've put down as little as 3.5%. Although it guarantees fewer loans than Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, the FHA insured 739,000 loans that were more than 90 days overdue as of the end of September. Because the FHA has what it's known as permanent and indefinite budget, it does not need to ask for money. It just automatically receives the money from the Treasury. This issue could raise the potential issue of what the government's role should be in the housing market. Online shoppers accounted for nearly 40% of the $52.4 billion shoppers spent last year on Black Friday weekend, compared to 26% of sales in 2006. The Wall Street Journal reports that some stores, such as Walmart, will be giving even deeper discounts to customers who download their app and then take the app into the store with them to find special deals. Best Buy is offering early bird online specials to high-spending customers who place orders now on November 19th. QVC indicates that online Black Friday shopping has increased 60% over the last 4 years. Facebook shares jumped 13% on Wednesday, according to the Wall Street Journal, because the threat of large sell-off by those employees who locked up shares never materialized. Experts indicate that a pent-up demand for the stock remained offsetting the potential sales. While it was the second busiest trading day for the stock, it closed at $22.36, the highest in a month. Third quarter earnings show that its business has become more profitable on some mobile devices. Some experts are willing to believe that the worst is over for Facebook. The Associated Press reports that fewer U.S. homes are entering the foreclosure process than a year ago. Between January and October, 971,533 homes were placed on the path to foreclosure, down 8% from the same period a year ago. Banks actually repossessed 559,063 homes at the end of last month, down 19% from a year ago. The total estimated number of homes to be foreclosed this year is 650,000, down from 800,000 a year ago. Home sales are running ahead of last year, increasing prices and making it easier for home owners to refinance. Reporting from Millionaire Corner, I'm Heather Kiley. Thanks for watching.